Well, we got a lot of rain and flooding going on. Well, people always ask, are we all flooded here? But it's top of the hill here. That's why it's Rush Springs. It's all the water pouring out of the hills and runs down and flood everybody else. So it's been raining for weeks. I've been hiding out at the house working. Kind of like the old groundhog. I stuck my head out today because it's sunny and it's beautiful. We got water pouring out everywhere. So we'll go around and look at all the waterfalls. A sinkhole here. The water runs underground. People always ask, where's the waterfall at? Well, the waterfall is right there. It only really runs for a day, maybe 2 days after a lot of rain. Pretty awesome. Good spot for a shower so you can handle the cold. And it's scenic. Let's go find some more water. All these spillways are pretty cool. There's 5 ponds and they're all stair-step down. And this one here, I pushed that big rock in there on purpose to make it like a little bit of a waterfall. Make some noise when the water runs and backs up the water. Usually the water will flow under all these rocks, but when it really rains it'll come over the top. And we get a lot of water through here. This is really nothing compared to what we get in a real heavy rain. So it was a lot of work moving all these rocks here to make these spillways, because when this water pours through here, it'll just eat away all the dirt and then the whole dam gives out. So all these rocks came from the road up there. When I was building the road, cutting into the bluff, all these rocks would be there. So as I was working, I just pushed the rocks over here. And some of these I actually set with a crane. The ones you can see that are level, we had a crane in here setting them. And without all these rocks, the water would just pour through there and eat through the dirt, and there'd be no more ponds. So looks like they're working pretty good. I tried concrete in a few spots, but everything settles. So if it's concrete, the water just goes under. And with all the big rocks just kind of settle down, the water flows around them. Usually what I do is put some medium-sized gravel in chunks down to hold the dirt, and then the big rocks on top. Looks good. So then piecing all these rocks together was a big project. These overhangs on the bluffs are where primitive people would probably camp, probably not permanently. They'd have hunting parties, they have the fresh water. They might be here for a few days, getting some local game and camp. And they have a pretty good little shelter right here, but probably wouldn't have a village or anything. Closer in Pineville is where the villages were. People would come out here hunting, and just like we do, come out for a little recreation. Maybe shoot a couple deer, a couple turkeys, have a feast. It's beautiful. Great about Rush Springs Ranches is that you can come out here and your everyday driver, and there's all kind of places to drive around. We've got everything from nice easy trails you can get around in a pickup, maybe a car, to the extreme rock crawler trails. So this is a pretty popular little hill climb. It gets a little treacherous up there, kind of narrow. So when I built the ponds, I built these little shallow areas for fish breeding areas, and also for the herons and stuff can stand in here and get the fish. It works really well. They love it. This was my first cabin. An old barn. A little dark, but some primitive camping. We got some bunks, and it's a great hideaway. Well, the razors are definitely the most popular thing out here. Well, you don't want to take your everyday driver on some of these trails. Check they're on the way to getting stuck. You can get in trouble pretty fast. It gets a little muddy, a little steep, a little rocky. There we go.
I hope you're not telling me because I'm gonna get stuck.
That's what I'm hoping. It washed away down the creek. Are you having fun out here?
I love it out here, man.
Good.
I love it out here. I love seeing your little Facebook posts too.
All right, well, you're going to be a star. Are you guys having fun?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about it out here?
All the bumpiness.
The bumpiness?
Yeah, all the rockiness.
Oh, there are a lot of rocks here, isn't there?
Yeah.
Getting
All right.
out here and enjoying the beautiful
You
day.
a vlogger?
It is a lovely day,
It
isn't
sure
it?
is, man.
All right.
Absolutely love it out here. Thank
I
you.
had you driving by so you can bring your everyday rig out here.
Right.
Are you
Works
a vlogger?
good.
Showing that you can make it
I
happen.
like making movies, yeah. I don't know about a blog or whatever that is, but I should be.
Showing you can have a good time in a regular vehicle out here.
That's it. So have you had any trouble getting around?
No. Of course, if I wanted to, I could.
Right, just stay on the main trail.
But yeah, we're having a great time just being out tooling around, you know. Good times. Love it out here. Always loved it out here.
Great, well thanks for coming.
I've been coming out here for years. Always loved bringing the Razor out here and the Jeep as well. I've had several Jeeps out here. So,
Well, you
good times.
decided to bring the daily driver out and test it?
Yeah, well, the kids were wanting to get out and they were wanting to go road run. They like being in the back.
Okay.
So, hey, this is good.
Perfect. How about all the waterfalls today?
Love it. It's beautiful
All right.
out here, isn't it?
Thanks for coming.
Thank you.
Well, the creeks are running pretty good.